Well, when the storm came in, we went to bed and it started raining really, really hard, and I'm still not over Harvey. And every time it rains hard, I kind of get anxiety. So I got up and started walking around and went out in the shop and started lifting things up. And even though it didn't appear to be bad enough where I was going to have to flood, I went ahead and did it anyway. And then I looked back where I just got through taking the shop out, and the water started coming up. So I come in here and got my wife and got her and say, get up, we got to get out of here. It's amazing the amount of people that come and help you. It's a wonderful part of this right here to see it. The people come out, they care for you. They come here to help you, and they're here for one reason, just to help us out. It's such a blessing. That's the good part of this, is to see how family and friends and Christians come together. And these folks showing up today, it's just so heartwarming to see them do what they do. And this is what Christianity is all about to me. I'm so thankful for my family, and thankful for people like you guys that have come here to help us out.